Hi guys, today we have a very special announcement and it's very tied to the core of our company Flex Innovations, and that is performance. From the very first day that Flex Innovations was founded, performance has been our main goal. Today, we are honored and very excited to announce that Jace Ducia is joining our Flex Innovations team. Jace will help us to improve and evolve the main core of our company. Jace, welcome to our Flex Innovations team.
Thank you, Kike. Performance has been a passion of mine since childhood, and I've been blessed to use radio-controlled flying as a way to express that. It is an honor to be part of a group of such talented and experienced individuals. The members of Flex Innovations have been role models of mine my entire life, and have also been great friends. I'm thrilled to have the opportunity to combine my experiences with all the others at Flex Innovations. I'm excited to meet new faces, including the Flex Innovations customers at events and online. The future of Flex Innovations is bright and abundant, and I'm very thankful to be a part of that.